Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Medic Patch is probably one of the most innovative solutions for pain relief and recovery that I've encountered recently, offering a convenient and targeted approach that traditional methods often struggle to match, and I'm really excited to dive deep into its features and benefits with you all today to see if it lives up to the hype and can truly make a difference in managing discomfort and improving your well-being. Number 5. Sutures Butterfly Bandaids Laceration Closure Kit. Introducing Sutures Butterfly Bandaids, the ultimate solution for emergency wound closures. This kit provides a non-surgical way to repair lacerations quickly and effectively. Say goodbye to the hassle of stitches. Our innovative device allows for surgical-grade laceration repair without the need for sewing. Experience rapid wound closure with our quick clotting technology. It helps to stop bleeding efficiently, promoting faster healing. This comprehensive kit includes 4 pieces, making it a convenient and essential addition to any first aid kit. Be prepared for any unexpected injuries. Designed for reliability, this emergency wound closure device is made from durable PU material. Trust it to perform when you need it most. What we like? This product offers a revolutionary way to close wounds without stitches. It's designed for quick and effective emergency wound closure. If you're looking for a fast, non-invasive solution for lacerations in urgent situations, this is your go-to. What people say. And these no-stitch adhesive adjustable sutures bring emergency room trauma care right into the field. They are super easy to use and apply, and can instantly close a cut or puncture wound. These butterfly bandages are simple and effective for closing small cuts. They hold well, stay in place, and minimize scarring when used on clean, dry wounds. Number 4. Glow in Dark Medic Cross First Aid Patches. Introducing our Glow in Dark Medic Cross Patches. These patches are designed for visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring you can be easily identified in emergencies. Built with tactical military combat standards in mind, these patches are durable and reliable. They are perfect for demanding environments and active use. Featuring a hook and loop fastener backing, these patches attach securely to any compatible fabric. A loop swatch is included for easy application. These patches offer multiple uses for safety and identification. Their glow-in-the-dark feature makes them ideal for various situations where visibility is key. Customize your jackets, vests, hats, bags, and more with these versatile patches. They add a functional and visible element to any piece of clothing or gear. Measuring 3.54 by 1.97 inches, these patches are the perfect size for discreet yet effective application. You receive 2 pieces in this set. What we like? Stand out and be seen with this unique glow-in-the-dark medic patch. It features a convenient hook and loop backing for easy attachment. If you need to quickly identify medical gear or personnel in low-light conditions or want to add a tactical flair to your equipment, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Great quality and glows decently well enough to find in the dark. Velcro has a good grip so you won't have to worry about it just falling off randomly. These medic first aid patches adhere well to the Velcro on my med kit and show up well. They should be obvious to anyone assisting in a casualty situation that my particular bag in the back of my vehicle is a med trauma kit. Super bright, really nice quality, very strong Velcro. Number 3. Infrared Reflective Medic Patch. Introducing our Infrared Reflective Medic Patch, designed for durability and visibility. It's the perfect addition to your tactical gear. This patch is built to military tactical standards, ensuring it can withstand tough conditions. Its reflective properties enhance safety in low-light situations. Featuring a hook and loop fastener, it easily attaches to any loop-compatible surface. A sewing loop swatch is also included for a more permanent attachment. Customize your gear with this versatile patch. It's ideal for jackets, vests, backpacks, hats, and more, allowing for endless personalization. Made from high-quality materials, this patch is both durable and highly reflective. It's a practical and stylish way to identify yourself or your equipment. Unleash your creativity with this DIY-friendly accessory. Add a unique touch to your clothing and accessories while ensuring you're seen. What we like? Enhance your visibility with this infrared reflective medic patch. It comes with a hook and loop fastener for easy application on various items. If you operate in tactical environments where identification under specific lighting is crucial, or if you enjoy customizing your gear with functional and unique patches, this is ideal. What people say. Great size. Attaches very well. Not cheap materials. Excellent product. Very good quality and solid stitching. The shipping time was worth it. These patches are great. Shipping was fast and easy. They look amazing on my dog's harness. Number 2. Dr. Frederick's Original Hydrocolloid Blister Bandages. Introducing Dr. Frederick's Original Hydrocolloid Blister Bandages, your ultimate solution for blister prevention and treatment. Experience superior comfort and protection with every step. These bandages offer waterproof protection, keeping your feet dry and comfortable even in wet conditions. They stay securely in place, providing continuous care. Enjoy enhanced comfort with 40% more cushioning than standard bandages. They provide a soft, protective layer that reduces friction and pressure on sore spots. This variety pack includes heel, toe, and spot bandages, ensuring you have the right size for any blister. It's perfect for all your foot care needs. Effectively treat existing blisters and prevent new ones from forming. These bandages create an optimal healing environment while protecting sensitive skin. Designed for all-day wear, these bandages provide lasting relief and support. Keep them on for extended periods to ensure continuous protection and healing. What we like. Experience superior blister care with these hydrocolloid bandages offering enhanced cushioning. They are completely waterproof, providing protection in all conditions. If you suffer from blisters, chafing, or need reliable wound protection that stays put, especially on heels and toes, this variety pack is an excellent solution. What people say. These patches were amazing, allowed 20 miles without pain, and then peeled off easily at the end. The extra cushioning provided excellent protection, reducing pain while walking and preventing further irritation. The bandages are water resistant, so I could wear them while washing my feet or in light moisture without them coming off. Number 1. LIVANS Medic Red Cross Patch 6-piece Bundle. Crafted from durable, pliable PVC rubber, these patches are built to last. They resist dirt and are easy to clean, ensuring they always look their best. Easily identify medical personnel or equipment, day or night. They are perfect for your tactical kits, trauma pouches, and various gear. Measuring 1.5 inches, these high relief patches feature rounded corners to prevent snagging. They come with a hook fastener sewn on the back for easy attachment. Each patch includes a hook-sided backing, ready to attach to any loop surface. This ensures they stay securely in place on your backpack or clothing. With 6 pieces included, these patches are small enough to fit on hats, bags, and more. They are great for airsoft, military, cosplay, or simply decorating your gear. What we like. Clearly identify medical personnel or gear with this durable, 3D high-relief medic patch. Made from quality PVC rubber, it's built to last and easy to clean. If you need a robust and instantly recognizable medical identifier for your tactical kits, uniforms, or personal gear, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Quality seems good, somewhat reflective although very visible. These glow-in-the-dark medical patches turned out great. They were very easy to apply. I've used both sewing and adhesive without any issues. They stick well, look clean, and add a practical touch to my everyday gear. Comes with the soft Velcro if you want to sew that to an item. Glows well in the dark and is a good size for a small first aid kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.